What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. Since I started streaming early in 2020, I got a few questions about how to make text go sideways or up and down or make it scroll basically. So I'm going to create a short video. This will be unedited, as most of my videos are, basically walking through that process and how it looks. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up OBS. In my case, I'm using OBS Live through Stream Elements. And as you can see, it's open. I've got just very little that are in um, that's currently up there. The first thing you're going to want to do is find which source you're wanting to do. In my case, I'm wanting to add a scroll of text to my chatting screen. Once I've selected that from my scenes, I'm going to go over to the sources and I'm going to click that plus button. From there, I'm going to click text, and this is where you can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to leave it at the default. We're going to click OK. You can type in your text here. And if you're doing horizontal text, you'll want to throw in some extra spaces just to keep it from meshing up with the previous. And this is also where you can select your font. You can keep it as the default Arial 256 size, or you can do something a little neater. I'm going to go for something that's a tad different. Like this one, for example. And instead of 256, I'm going to go ahead and change it to 72. Be smaller. And you'll notice that it's now positioned right here on my preview section, but it's still not on the program yet. This is where you could resize it, move it where you want. I'm going to put it down here on my shirt just because it seems to look a little better. And then while you're inside this box, you can go ahead and right click. You're going to go to filters, and you'll notice under the effects that there is nothing yet. You can hit that plus, and then you can hit that scroll. And there's obviously a lot of other options that you can do as well. But for the purposes of this video, we're going to hit that scroll. You can title it something else if you want. I'm just going to keep it the same. And then from there, you can make it scroll horizontally. And you can change the speed of that, obviously. You can even change directions. Or you can make it go up and down. Or if you're awkward, as I am, you can make it go diagonally just by adjusting both. And of course, you can change that back to the defaults if you just want one or the other. And you can make that as many times as you want. You'll see now that it is scrolling on the preview. And once I hit transition, we go back to the just chatting screen, which previously had nothing in there. And as you can see now, it says, "You're amazing." That's pretty much all there is to it, guys. If you guys got any questions, feel free to drop your comments in this video. Additionally, you guys can catch me when I'm live on Twitch, which is Monday through Thursday, 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. HTTPS, obviously. And then from there, twitch.tv/bgilbert85. I hope to see you then, and I hope you found this helpful. Take care. God bless.